All right, I got about 14 minutes to kill until this is done. It's a pasta with some bacon on top. It's really good. Maybe someday we can have the recipe for that as well. But right now, I just wanted to give an update. It is, let's say, April 12th, Friday, and I got another box of books here that I got rid of. Last time, I think we had 3 rows of books. 3, was it? Maybe a little more, who knows. But I whittled it down to 1. This is all the Guerrero stuff. It fits in a 1.5 cubic box. All right. That's all the Guerrero stuff I'm going to keep and read and maybe go into depth. Because some of these things, this is like the mainstream science view, which is surprisingly not, well, it's in Guerrero and we'll go into it more. And then that's just the other stuff I have, and that's it. So 1 row, 2 row, 1 box, and we're done. I actually put some of the toiletry stuff up, but they have this little file box. It's a little over 1 cubic feet. And oh my God, I haven't looked this forward to living out of cardboard boxes. You know, if I rent something, I can just put this by the bathroom. Whatever we have, we can put out over there. Whatever we don't, we can have it here. 2 minutes, put it in the car. It's done. It's simple, it's fast, it's awesome. Okay. Oh boy, I didn't even notice this. Oh, look at that. Oh, what a piece of shit. Who knows, who cares? Now, this is called the Hopen. I actually used this in the apartment back in the old days. This is 2006, 7, 8. And all it was right over here, and I put the water bill on here. That's all I used it for. Okay. Someone's picking this up at 8:15. I'll go for a nice walk. Oh, and this is soundproof. Somebody was going to pick these mattresses up, but they didn't show up. Bastards. $40 total for both. Pretty good quality. This one has a bit of a, you know. And I remember, see, this is why it's fun to talk about these things. I remember back at the old apartment where this was, ex-boyfriend. Are we calling him anything? I think we call him Frank because that's his name. But I remember he was getting me to sell his goddamn mattress on Craigslist, right? And it was a new fancy mattress. It was like queen size, appropriately enough, and and you know, it had a couple spots on it or something. And I'm like, no, we're gonna put that in the ad because I'm not gonna be dealing with somebody who's like, hey, I didn't know this was on you. No. And you know, I'm just a nice guy, as we all know. Again, the shower strip thing, I'm a nice guy, right? But the point is, it's like, yeah, I said, hey, you know, this mattress here, you know, it has a bit of a thing here, right? On this one, the bottom one here, you see what happens? It rolls out perfectly, but there is an imperfection in there. You can still take it out. It works just fine, but I wanted to let people know. Be like, hey, there's something in the back. It still works. It still works. So anyways, I guess that's it. You know, in a few short days, I still have not put up any of these videos. I have them saved. Okay, so here, yeah, we have this thing. Oh, look at that. And this is all donation here, all right? My philanthropy is much more than we last discussed. It's a bag of trash. It's the old t-shirts. It is now some office trays. It's out of this world, you know? And I found an extra box, I think. Did I find? Oh no, I think I taped it back together. Oh yeah. There we go. So I'm actually excited about this. I still don't know where I'm moving. Is it an apartment? Is it like some kind of Airbnb kind of thing? Is it I don't know. I have no fucking clue. But there's a storage unit. I mean, again, these are going to be sold off, half-price books, that sort of thing. That's for the computer. We can put that in there. But I'm looking forward to this. I can put this in storage. I bought some boxes yesterday just to play around with, as we talked about with the file boxes in here and that. So, and then these are some of the bigger boxes. All the stuff that used to be here. And there's not much stuff. Most of it I've thrown away, but that's in that big one. I can still lift it. It's not too bad. Probably fits in the car. We'll have to check that. But I'm looking forward to this. I can drop this off. I can drop off the stuff that I am willing to keep and I'm not throwing away. I can drop that off in a storage unit, and then that's it. I can just go in my cardboard boxes for everyday items like that, and it's gonna be great, you know? It's gonna be great. You know, I'm down to, well, there's a couple dirty shirts, but I'm down to 12 shirts, and they all fit perfectly, they all fit great, so I don't even have to look at all this garbage here, okay? That doesn't fit, you know? Oh, these things, I can finally donate these. I don't care. That's fine. I got, probably, especially if you're in an Airbnb, they'll have some bed sheets and stuff. But, you know, if it's an empty apartment, we got camping pad. We got this, okay? And that's it. We don't need anything else. We don't need anything else. I am genuinely looking forward to this. Every toiletry, all of this stuff fits into one little box like this. And that's it. It's great. So, 5 minutes. Okay, well, this is good. This is a good little ramble we're having here. What else? What new things have we done? I still have yet to look at the kitchen fully and say, all right, here's what we're keeping. You know, the juicer's like $200, and it's kind of like, yeah, let's just keep that. Maybe we can use, whatever. I've yet to go through that fully. I've gone through here a couple times. These are being donated mostly. I don't use those. Who cares? These things, again, it depends. I don't know if I'm going to an apartment where I might want to cook or have the capacity to cook. I have been putting that off. I should call around more and see how amenable they are to month stuff. Because the first place I showed up at, they were just not like, well, 3-month lease is the least we can do, but it's cheaper if you do a 12-month release. You know, and I'm thinking, well, wait a second. So I just tell you I do a 12-month lease, and then I leave anyways. After, how can I game your system here, gypsy woman? You know. So I don't know. I mean, it's just I have yet to look into that a little more. I should, but I've been doing stuff every day. The plants. The last time we were on the plants is like, oh well, I should move with them, and I'm just, you know. No, I think I can let go of them. I think I can. Part of it is, I looked up the Houston Arboretum at Memorial Park. You know, we might want to head out there once or twice just to see what's going on. They do plant donations. So, you know, maybe somebody can take care of them. I can also, I was thinking, there's some public place you can go out and just plant them and see if they survive. That'd be kind of fun. It'd be our little secret. And, you know, you could do that. You could carry it in a backpack, nobody will know. Just plant it in the woods somewhere. Kind of weird, but okay. And, you know, and, yeah, so, but I'm not, you know, part of it is, it's good to have a little routine where you take care of these things. It's good to see them grow. It's a good sign of efficacy, I was thinking of, is I can actually do stuff. Like, these are alive because of me. Although I guess if I plant them in the middle of the forest and they still live, well, okay, whatever. But the point is, you know, in these pots and stuff, you know, if they dry out, they'll probably be dead. Or, well, I don't know. Ooh, we have 2 lizards here. Let's use the zoom feature to see where they are. There's number 1, and oh, come on, zoom. You're focusing on the wrong thing, zoom. Oh, what a shame. We can zoom into that guy here. Well, the zoom is not cooperating. Well, the zoom is cooperating. The focus is not cooperating with us, but that's fine. Our little lizard friends are just hanging out. Oh, one's moving. Okay, well, anyways, that was fun. But this kind of sense of efficacy of just kind of planting these and... Oh, the flower. Oh, I think the flower went away. Well, we'll have to... yeah, the flowers are kind of blooming out there. Croton and that thing and these things. So it was kind of nice, you know. It's also, as I said, I think it was my mother. Yeah, these were all my mother's. You know, and it's like, you know, the continuity of that, and it's like they're just kind of weighing me down, you know. I gotta, they're no longer again, it's kind of fun to take. Oh, okay. I have to bitch about this, of course. Look at these fucking things just dangling. This is one of the reasons why I'm moving out. Look at those dangling things. They're still alive, right? But oh my god, let's jump. Ugh. This thing isn't even alive here. Oh my god. For fuck's sake. So yeah, that's kind of annoying that. But yeah, I don't have to deal with this anymore. You know, I really don't. So I can just not deal with this nonsense anymore here. What is this shit? It's just hanging over like crap. I can't even. But I don't have to deal with this anymore, so that's good. And I guess that's it. You know, it's just, you know, it was nice to take care of them. It's kind of fun, but I gotta just leave this shit behind. You know. You know, it's the kind of efficacy, the kind of, it's nice to take care of things. It's nice to have that stability of I have a home to be in. But I've just been stuck here, you know? I have not been able to move on from here. And I moved in here, business was doing good. It was still on the up and up. It was gonna get better. Ooh, I was gonna figure this out. And then we'll do the Guerrero thing here. And then, and kind of hit a plateau, you know? Kind of hit a plateau. And yeah, so I am looking forward to the move. It is the first time since, I guess, finishing Guerrero that I felt pretty excited about something, which is now what, 6 years? 6 years? That's crazy. Yeah, 6 years this spring. Well, I can smell the bacon here. There should be a few more minutes. Let's see here. Ooh, it's getting crispy. Look at that. Oh, that's perfect. Yeah, we got another minute on this. So anyways, it's just, I am genuinely looking forward to moving here. You know, I don't have the anxiety of, oh, well, what do I do if no, we'll figure this out. The boxes that I want to keep, they can go into storage. I can move around, I can pivot around that area. That's where I want to live anyways. I can just move from one place to another. It's gonna be just fine, all right? And I actually mean it, I do. It's fun to be like, okay, I only have 12 shirts total now. This is great. It's more than I need every day for a week. Okay. So it's fun to actually be in the planning stage of let's fucking do shit. Let's get shit done. You know? Let's actually figure stuff out. Let's you know, all the stuff, like all the stuff I didn't read here, but all the books that I might want to go into, all the stuff I haven't talked about in 2012, we can talk about it now, you know? And I might even just do it as I'm moving from place to place or whatever. You know, I was out Wednesday looking for some houses. There wasn't anything, but that's fine. You know, you get something when it shows up and that's it. And I can just stay out there. I can just be out there for, you know, for however long and find a house. All right, so this is done. And I guess it's going to be interesting to see, you know, because I have maybe, what, 3 hours of material on this, just the stuff that I intend to be sort of public. So it's kind of, it'll be fun to review just the end. It'll be fun to just review the footage that I've been able to put together thus far. I think it started, what, less than 2 weeks ago. And I've just made a bunch of headway here. So it'll be fun. It'll be fun. And I guess that is it.